Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, I'm pretty sure you can tell by the title, the intro and every single thing, but today is a maintenance vlog. Log with me for my F5 week, log with me for my sign out, you know, this kind of thing. So as you can see, this is what we are working with. Nails is hair is face. So yeah, first of all, I'm going to do a soak off for the nails, then we'll get into hair day, getting my clothes, every single thing. So you know, I am so let's go the back. And I also decided to trim my hair because the last time I had a trim was 2 to 3 years ago. I'm not sure, but I want to wash the hair and just split it in like 4 braid. Then tomorrow morning I will go and make my hair. See you tomorrow.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong.
Good morning guys. So I am on my way to get my nails done. My hair is not yet done, so I'm not going to show you guys what it looks like till the hair is finished. So I'm going to see you when I get my nails done. Let's go.
I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing alike and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. You made a country club pool feel like Malibu Beach. Sure, your parents had money, but you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you.
So guys, I have done my eyelash. This is like the final part of my maintenance vlog. I know it's been a week since I last vlog, but this was why I didn't end the vlog, because I haven't done the last part of my maintenance, which is the eyelash. I was actually planning on, getting the retouch of my microblading, but I don't have the funds to do that right now. All my money I have has been spent. Maybe in the next maintenance vlog, this eyelash, the eyebrow will be part of it, but yeah. I actually like it though, because at first when I saw it, I was like, but now it's so cute and simple. It's not too there, but at the same time it's there. If you get, like, I really have like no lashes at all, so this like from this like beginning part down here looks like my normal lashes. Then when you know that, oh, I did lash extension, is the ending. But yeah, so don't mind how I look right now, but this is the end of this vlog, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for my FYB week dresses and my last final exam. Like, see you. Bye.